we'll be using methi or fenugreek seed. It's a very powerful and magical seed. It gives a solution for almost all kind of hair problems. And the main concern with the fenugreek paste is when you grind it into paste, it is never uniform or smooth. So today I'll show you a method in which I soak it and I make a paste out of it and make a uniform paste, and which is smooth and as soft as a pudding. You can use it in hair treatment or in any of your masks. For this I have taken 1/4 cup of methi seeds and I have soaked the fenugreek seeds in water for almost an hour. After soaking it for an hour, I'll just simmer it down for 10 to 15 minutes to make the seed much more softer. And once it cools down completely, you can see the whole seed has swollen up, and then grind it and make it into a paste in any of your blenders or food processor. By using this method, you will get a fine and uniform paste, and the grains will not stick to your scalp, and it is very easy to rinse the grains from your hair. To this, I'll be adding 1 cup of extra virgin coconut oil. It's convenient for me to use coconut oil, so I'm using coconut oil. In the same place, you can use olive oil or almond oil, whichever is easily available with you. See, when I grind it only with oil, I'll get a grainy paste like this. And to this, I'll be adding water. Add water little by little. I'll be adding water in half cup of proportion. So you can use it, and then you can decide if you want to continue adding water, because this paste thickens very quickly. You can see I have already got a fine, uniform, soft paste which is not grainy anymore and which has a pudding like consistency. It's easier to make this, and if you want, you can make this and store it in your fridge for almost a month. You can make it in huge batches and include in any of your hair mask and any of your hair treatment. It's good. These fenugreek seeds have a magical power to repair the hair damage and even prevent the scalp itching or any of your scalp issues. Many people have sworn by this method, and they tell their dandruff is completely cured by using this. You can see the result immediately after first use. When you apply these fenugreek paste, apply it on your scalp for an hour or so and then rinse it off nicely, and you can see the difference. You can see your hair is black and shiny. At the same time, it helps to grow new hair also. And in this way, I make the whole batch for a month and store it in a fridge and use little by little whenever I want. So I hope you liked today's video, and today's video is useful for at least some of you. So if you have liked the video, please do like, share and comment on my video, and show some love by subscribing to my channel. This is a very healthy hair pack which I am going to show you now. For this we need lemon juice or hibiscus powder. If you don't have hibiscus powder, you can even use the fresh hibiscus. First, I'll be taking half a cup of water, and to this half cup of water, I'll be adding the hibiscus powder and I'll boil it well. If you're taking fresh powder, fresh hibiscus, you can boil the water nicely and then put this hibiscus in the water after you off the flame and let it rest for a few minutes, and then proceed with the same procedure like squeezing a tablespoon of lemon juice into it, and our mixture is ready. Take this syrup and mix it with your fenugreek paste. Fenugreek paste will be a little slimy, but keep mixing till you get a paste of smooth consistency like this. And now you can use this on your hair, apply it on your hair to get soft shiny hair and a clean scalp. This will be very useful for your hair to look shiny and luscious. You can use this fenugreek in any way which you like, and do try it and let me know your feedbacks in comment section. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are watching my channel without subscribing, do click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification of all the future recipes. And stay happy and stay healthy, and bye till we meet next time.